everyone, welcome back to my channel J Dreaming. My name is Haley J Jones and today we're going to be doing a home tour along with some perspective that I've just kind of thought about the last couple days about being happy in the space that you are currently in and not always wishing for the next step in life. Before we get into this video, I just want to remind you to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you are enjoying my content. It's a great way to support this channel. If you are already subscribed, then thank you so much. I super appreciate your support. If you wouldn't mind checking that your notification bell is on, it's a great way to get notified anytime I post new uploads. So this video is going to be a home tour of the apartment that my husband and I currently live in. It's definitely not perfect. I still have a lot of stuff that I want to keep doing to it and keep improving. There's a lot of stuff on the design side that I want to kind of try, and then also just elevating the space by adding new stuff. But I also want to talk about in this video the importance of loving the space you're in when you're in it, and not always like wishing for the next and best thing. I think that that's something that we can really get caught up into, and I don't think that it's a very healthy mindset. So I am really working on loving the space that I'm in. We'll talk about that later in the video, and I hope that I can get you to love the space you're in as well. But for now, let's go ahead and jump into the home tour. So this is our welcome area. This is gonna be the first thing you see when you walk in the door. And I've decorated for fall here. Those are dog treats. Those are not like human treats. And then so from IKEA, we got these 4 organizers. They are super useful. I love them. So lunch boxes and seasonal towels in here. That's just like all of our, I don't know, stuff that we use. Like my purse goes in there, all of that stuff. This is all cookbooks, and then our whatever those are called. Hi Bear. Placemats. And then here is my candle obsession drawer. And that's pretty much the basic of our like by the door junk drawer kind of area. Next up is my favorite room of the household. And it actually kind of starts over here. So that's where I keep my little Instant Pot, and then some of Bear's stuff is down on the bottom there. And then we have our refrigerator. This is an apartment complex, obviously, but all of our appliances were like brand new when we moved in, which is super cool. We have our knife block over here and some almonds, and then Bear, sorry, my dog is going crazy. So we have some almonds and then a little pumpkin. I sometimes will leave Lewis little like messages on that clipboard there, and then my wax warmer, and that has ginger pumpkin in it currently. Hi, that's me. Our microwave oven, and then this is my absolute favorite corner. So I have my little butter dish there because we use like stick butter instead of margarine. Our kettle, my spice rack, my Magnolia Table Book. That's my absolute favorite book. Sometimes I just like read it to read it. A little like cake stand, I think is what you call it, or like some type of display case for food. But I have pumpkins in there currently. So those are our cabinets. They are huge, which is really nice. This is above our sink. I have no idea what I'm doing with. And then something I think that really makes this kitchen is this island. It's actually kind of a makeshift island. We got it at IKEA for I think $99 or like $120 maybe. It's actually like a garage workbench, but I loved the size of it, and I think it really like adds to the kitchen. It adds a ton of counter space, which I really like. But so it had like a unfinished wood top on it. I just went ahead and painted that black and then put some polyurethane on it. And now it serves as a little island, which I think is just so cute, and it kind of gives it like a rustic feel. I try to always have fresh flowers out, and then I have some candy corn and almonds. These are little advice and wishes cards for from our wedding. We had everyone at my bridal shower like write little tidbits on there, so every now and then I want to like have those out to look through them. On this we have my serving dishes, and then right in the middle there is my like little potato bowl. We eat a lot of potatoes because we like carbs. Baskets are from Target. Those are like wood woven black baskets, and they hold a lot of my appliances because, as you can see if I step back here, I don't have a ton of like huge storage for actual appliances. So I store my air fryer in one of these. I have an Instant Pot air fryer, and then I have my food processor and my blender in those, and then they're nice because they kind of just like get hidden under a beautiful little island. This dining table was actually solid black. We repainted this. We had no clue what we were doing, but I kind of like the way it turned out. I still want to replace those gray like cushions. I just don't really like them, but I don't know what color I want yet, and so I just decided to kind of wait. And then this big clock here, I want to do something else with this wall. That's a common theme that you'll see like in this home tour. I really want to put more stuff on my walls, but being that it's an apartment, I don't want to put anything up that I don't absolutely love, because sometimes that can be kind of annoying to go through and fill in all of those nail holes when we leave. Next up is our living room. This is my second favorite room of the house. So first, to kind of transition into the living room area, we have this like blue chair and kind of a steel blue ottoman to match. I don't exactly know where we got these. I know that the chair broke like a month after we got it though, so I wouldn't recommend getting it from wherever we did. And then these are our side tables. We wanted something super small. These are from the Magnolia collection at Target. Next we have our couch. I'm still like deciding how I want to style that. Lewis says there's too many pillows on it, but I really like all of the pillows. So that's kind of a battle that we are going through in our household currently. But then we have the wicker rug. This is a new addition. This is from Pier 1. I just think it makes the space look a lot cozier. And then what's cool about this couch is you can actually see down here, it pulls out into like a queen or like full size bed. But Lewis and I just use it when we like want to watch movies or want to do whatever, because that way it's just a little bit more room and we don't have to fight over who gets to kick their legs out on the long part of the couch. Next is just our other side table and one of our new fall decor things. And then we have our huge lazy boy that was donated to us by my parents. Thank you guys so much. I love you. Our new TV stand. We used to have a black one and it was just like too dark for this room. I really didn't like it. So now we have this white one. This is from Amazon. I can try to link it down below. As you can see, I've decorated it for fall. I'll link my fall decoration video also. And then we have all of our movies and our Xbox in here. That's what we use to watch like Netflix and all that stuff. And these barn doors just slide, which is super nice. And here we have all of our games. And then we have our Wii, because every now and then we like to play Mario Kart. So this is our first bathroom, I guess I would say. Hello, no one's in here, Bear, it's just me. And it serves as our guest bathroom. But so we just have a super neutral shower curtain, and then it is decorated for fall as well, because like I said, it's a guest bathroom, so that's kind of how I like to do it, is decorate it. It's not big at all, it's really tiny, but I think it serves its purpose. Next is our second bedroom. I have no idea what we're doing with this. So this is our trundle bed. This is just what we use for guests when they come over. It has another like layer that swings out, but we didn't get a mattress for that. And then we have a bookcase over here and Bear's bed that she never actually sleeps in. She only digs in. And yes, our books are color-coded because I had too much time on my hands one day. This is our desk. It's super messy right now. And then we have the month of August, and it is now September, so I need to change that. We have a dresser that we actually redid. It was the same technique as the table. And it was originally like this kind of white finish, but I had like beat the crap out of it. Just because I was irresponsible and used like a ton of nail polish remover on it. I'm really happy with it. This is our fish, Roxy. He is a beta. We named him after Lewis's childhood dog, who was also named Roxy. Another huge window, which I really love. It lets in a ton of light. And then over here, Bear, move. Over here we have just another like bedside table that we redid. It originally matched this one, and then we redid it to kind of have that, like, I don't know, refurbished but not really like vintagey look. And then I just have some vases, and actually that is lavender from where we got engaged. It's called Bry's Vineyard, I want to say, and it was in the secret lavender garden. And they sent us home with some bushels of that, which I thought was super cute. But yeah, so that is basically our second bedroom. It doesn't really serve much of a purpose currently. I work in here sometimes when I work from home, but really it's just for like when I have some sleepovers with my sisters, or we have someone coming from out of town that stays here. I don't know. It's really nice to have. It's nice to have the extra space. And if I want to like get away and watch YouTube videos or something, it's nice to come in here too. So this is our laundry room. We have a washer and a dryer, as you might suspect, all of Lewis's tools, and then my like laundry stuff that I have to get on top of the washer and dryer to use because I'm too short to reach the top shelf. And then we have all of Bear's stuff. As you can see, she's very spoiled. She has lots of good treats. So Bear's scared of this room, but that's okay. What do you think? What do you think? Do you like it? No? Okay, that's fine. Our final room is the bedroom and the bathroom. So this is our master suite, if that's what you want to call it. So we'll start with Lewis's nightstand. So we have a lamp, our little iPhone charger. And then this is a gift he got me for our first Christmas together. I love Beauty and the Beast. That's always been my like favorite movie. And so he had this engraved. It says Lewis and Haley, August 25th, 2017. He's so adorable, such a romantic. That's my closet, and then that's my closet because I tend to have a tiny bit more clothes than Lewis, so he happily volunteered the other closet in the other room, which is really nice. This is our bed. I found those two huge pillows at Joann's Fabrics for $15. And then we're planning on putting something under the like three picture frames. We just don't know what yet, but I don't really like that empty space, so we're gonna have to figure that out. We have a patio that goes out to we have a patio door that goes out to our balcony. We're not using it a lot currently. I don't know if you can see, I accidentally broke off our screen door. Whoops. And then we just have a laundry hamper and my bedside table. And then that's basically it. I have my watch right there and my little coaster. Also, you'll always find this somewhere in my house. This is the newest Magnolia journal. If you haven't picked these up, you just have to do it. I think they're so amazing. They're a little bit expensive. I think they're, what does that say? $8, but I mean, it's worth it. And they come with a ton of good, like, design stuff, but then also super, like, mindful stuff for like your mental health, and also some great recipes. There's a snickerdoodle latte recipe that is like to die for, so I would definitely recommend going and getting one of the Magnolia journals. So now this is our bathroom. Hi, that's me again. I look disgusting. And it's currently missing a rug because I'm washing them. I try to wash my bathroom rugs more than any regular rug because I think they get dirtier. This is not supposed to be in here. That I feel like this belongs in a kitchen, but we just didn't have anything that really belonged in a, I don't know, bathroom currently. So I'm trying to figure out what to do with the space. And then we just have another little twofer thing from either IKEA or Target. Sorry, I can't remember. I just like everything like super, as you can tell, like kind of bright, and like I like everything to be very like light and natural colored. For some reason, that's just kind of how I am. Okay, so now that you guys have seen my home, I want to talk a little bit about finding that sweet spot or that balance between like always wanting to improve your space and like trying new things when it comes to design, but also really just being content and like being happy in your space, and not devaluing the space that you're currently living in because you have, you know, dreams and plans for the future. I think it's really easy in life, especially nowadays with like social media and like influencers and all of that stuff, to really always kind of look for the next best thing. and never really be okay with what we have, or never really get that understanding that like things are a process and not everyone starts out that way. And because of this, we never really find joy in the things that we already have. And so I really want to just encourage you to love the space you're in. That's something that I've been really working on. I think that especially being like a 20-something girl, people have a lot of expectations for me and how I'm going to live my life, and you know, in the order in which I'm going to live my life. And a lot of those things I am really excited for. I want to have a family. I want to have kids. I want to, you know, be like this great mom and all of this stuff. But I really want to do it on my own terms. And I want to do it in a way where I'm not always waiting for the next best thing, the next best thing to post on social media. Like I just want to be happy with where I am. And right now that's with my husband and my dog. I mean, we're having a blast, guys. I want to show you guys the real. I think that is the big part of this video. I want you guys to grow with me. I want you guys to see the process as I go through life. I want you guys to see as we continue to improve this place that we're currently in, as we get our first home, as we, you know, have our first kid, or maybe get another dog. Like, I want you guys to see the process. I think so often we see the end result and then compare our start to someone else's finish. And that's a really unfair thing to do to yourself. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of the support I get from you guys, and I am so excited to continue making content for you. So make sure you like and comment on this video. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any future content. And until next time, bye guys.